Meet Mrs. Priya, a hard-working software engineer from Bengaluru. She has a small and content family. Priya aspires to buy the home of her dreams in the city. She visits her bank SDC, to apply for mortgage. The in-person customer service was poor. Processing times were very high, eventually leading to Priya paying a high price for her dream home. Her attempts to reach bank's customer service failed. Priya withdrew her accounts from the bank. There are many such Priyas in town. Meet Mr. Shiva in the bank, whose morale is down as the bank is unable to provide remote work facilities and having to deal with unhappy customers. There are many such Shivas in the bank. The bank manager, Mr. Sumit, struggles to motivate employees and deals with unhappy customers. With declining business, the branch closes down. Meet the bank's general manager, Mr. Neeraj, who has to deal with unhappy customers, declining profits, and branches closing down.
Welcome to the Extrans demo. If the bank had this solution, Priya's story would have been entirely different. Let's get into the details. Our demo consists of various SAP technologies communicating to each other in real time. What you see now is SAP S/4HANA CML solution used by bank employee Shiva to initiate loan disbursement for the customer Priya. Once the loan is disbursed, Priya receives a trigger in the Telegram application. The SAP conversational AI integrated with Telegram requests Priya to share her experience with the loan application process. The one-time password is sent to Priya's cell phone from S/4HANA using SAP SMS 365 technology. The SAP conversational AI is integrated with SAP Qualtrics to publish the survey questions in the Telegram application. Priya now submits the response. The response shared by Priya is made available for viewing in SAP Qualtrics for the bank employees. Now, how does bank take action on this? The responses are immediately sent to the SAP Business Rule Framework deployed on SAP Cloud Platform. The SAP Business Rule Framework engine analyzes the responses and classifies it into positive and negative comments. Now, here we need an immediate action to register this case. How do we achieve this? We have leveraged SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation to create or to register a ticket in the SAP C4C solution. The SAP IRPA bot establishes a communication with the SAP C4C application. It opens up the web page, enters the details, and saves the record. Thus, various SAP applications communicated in real time. It all started from an SAP S/4HANA solution and ends up in registering a case using IRPA, Qualtrics, all those SAP technologies. Now let's see how customer can access bank's portal to submit their grievances. The SAP conversational AI deployed in the bank's portal initiate communication with the customers. The responses are accessed by SAP Data Intelligence Platform. In short, the data is pushed into this Data Intelligence Platform. As usual, the classification of the responses takes place and the IRPA bot is used to trigger the communication to the Telegram application of that customer. The integration with the Qualtrics also takes place over here, and the survey questions are fed into the Telegram application. The customer enters or submits their responses. Thus, yet another real-time process integration is established in the bank using various SAP technologies. Okay, so let's see what the social media has to offer. Customer views on social media such as Twitter is also captured by SDC Bank for analysis. Here, using Twitter Stream, tweets are pushed into the SAP Data Intelligence platform. The sentiment analysis done over here is published into the bank's digital boardroom powered by SAP Analytics Cloud. So what we see here is the digital boardroom. The first tab shows the loan account information of all the customers of SDC Bank. The second tab shows the Cortex Serve integration to SAC. Also, the geographical location of the customers at the time of survey feedback is also shown here. And the last tab shows the Twitter tweets. The sentiment analysis is what we are seeing over here. Thus, a bird's eye view for the SDC Bank stakeholders is available through SAP Analytics Cloud, thus integrating all solutions the bank has in their landscape. Thank you.